Hey, what's up, team? Today we're talking hang power cleans.
2 minutes to go. He's got 2.
Grab your empty barbells. Let's warm it up. Let's start in the front rack position here. Give me 2 fingers only on your barbell, staying bunny rabbit ears. Going to start off with 10 alternating elbow reaches. Right arm up is 1, left arm up is 2, focusing on that internal rotation and breathing through our bellies. Try not to overextend your back while you're doing this. Squeeze your butt, squeeze your quads, squeeze your abs. Keep everything facing forward. After finishing off your 10, let's get those elbows up nice and high. If the barbell feels like you're choking yourself, that means you are doing it right. Give me a nice wide stance here. Just give me 5 front squats at your own pace. Knees out, butt back. Sit down, hang out for a second if you need to. Stretch out the hips, stand up and repeat at your own pace. I'll show you from the side while you're doing your reps here, but keep a nice upright torso, and I'm actively reaching up and out with my elbows the entire time and breathing through my belly. Inhale up top, hold your breath on the way down, exhale as you stand up. All right, guys, after finishing off your 5, bring the bar back down to the hang, and we're gonna go into what's called a hook grip. For that one, you're gonna put your thumb first and your index finger and middle finger wrapped around. We do it because it's going to make it more of a structural lift versus a grip intensive lift when doing lots and lots of reps, or if we're doing a heavy load. So hold on to it, start to hook grip your groceries, your dog leash. The more you do it in your daily practice, the easier it will be. So I'm gonna start off with a hip muscle clean, no nugs here in slow motion. I'm going to shrug, pull, pop my elbows up. That's 1. Give me 5 of these, focusing on turning over those elbows nice and fast. And if you catch it like this, that's okay. Just force those elbows up nice and high at the top of the movement. And once again, if it feels like you're choking yourself, you're doing it right. And try to keep your bar nice and close to your body. If you check me out from the side profile here, I'm not rainbowing the bar around my body. Imagine you're trying to give yourself washboard abs. Shrug, pull, pop it up. Lifting is a physics equation, so we want to keep the bar nice and close to our body. All right, guys, next up, we're going to increase our range of motion. Going to a hang muscle clean, so riding it down my thigh. So big inhale, hip, knee, hip, shrug, pull, pop up those elbows. And then in real time, I'm treating it almost like a kettlebell swing using that natural stretch reflex. So from the hip, big inhale, hip, knee, hip, pop it up, pop, lock, and drop it. Give me 5 of those. Cool. All right, next up, guys, going into our hang power clean, the movement of the day. So same start and finish, but I'm going to add a little bit of a jump. The whole idea of Olympic lifting is using your legs and hips to help jump weight up into the air and receiving it, right? So in slow motion, big inhale, hip, knee, hip, jump, shrug, pull, drop under that bar, stand, and repeat. Give me 5 reps there, and take your time on this, especially if you guys are new. A lot of things are going on, guys. So once again, hip, knee, hip jump, and drop. So we're physically jumping. We're not just doing it to look like cheerleaders, because a truly heavy hang clean will be almost like a squat clean, right? Because that bar is going to pull you down. You got to catch it with your hips, not with your knees. Cool. All right, guys. If you're new to the movement, don't focus on going super heavy, guys. Fix your technique, film yourself, and get after it.